We are the biggest prawn fishery in Australia to be certified under Marine Stewardship Council guidelines. It's a way to prove to consumers that our banana prawns are sustainable. We see ourselves as conservationists of the ocean. We're out there, we live and breathe it. We really look after it. My name's Brian Van Wyck. I'm the Operations Manager for Austral Fisheries. One of the best reasons banana prawns are so sustainable is their robustness. You don't need a lot of prawns to regenerate the entire fishery for the next year. A wild-caught banana prawn means prawns caught wild at sea. We freeze all our prawns on the boat. It maintains the flavour of the ocean. The wild-caught process is a really massive operation. The area we fish is incredibly large, from the tip of Cape York in Queensland to Western Australia, Northern Territory border. The Gulf of Carpentaria is where we see the majority of our banana prawn catches. Banana prawns school together. They stir up the bottom and make muddy plumes. It's a shallow area, so we spot prawns from the sky and effectively catch them with little to no bycatch.
In 2016, Austral Fisheries became the first seafood company in the world to be certified carbon neutral. To offset our CO2 emissions, we plant 200,000 trees every year, and since we started certification, we've planted over 1 million trees in Western Australia. The relationship between Coles and Austral Fisheries is very important to us. For Coles, with a bold ambition to become Australia's most sustainable supermarket, and Austral Fisheries are world leaders with sustainable fishing practices. With the Coles footprint across Australia, Coles can elevate our story and tell consumers all about our beautiful product.
When Aussies buy banana prawns at Coles, they can expect one of the best prawns in quality, texture, taste. They're caught in Australia for Australians. It's a lot of work to get these prawns from boat to plate. I love everything about my job. The ocean is my happy place. I think Australians love prawns. I mean, who doesn't love a prawn on the barbie? I think banana prawns, they're one of the best prawns out there.